Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to show only top comments on a YouTube video. Top comments are the most popular and highly rated comments that have received a significant number of likes and engagement. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to enhance your viewing experience and join the discussion of the most impactful comments. Let's get started. Step 1. If you haven't downloaded the official YouTube app from the Play Store, head over to the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type YouTube and look for the app with the square red and white play button logo. Tap on Install to begin the download process. Step 2. Once the app has finished downloading, tap on Open to launch it. If you haven't signed into your YouTube account, make sure to do so. Signing in is mandatory to access all the features and settings. Step 3. Now, find the YouTube video you want to watch. Scroll down the video page until you reach the Comments section located below the channel's name. Tap on Comments to open the Comment section. Step 4. Inside the Comment section, you'll notice various sorting options. Look for the option labeled Top and tap on it. This will filter the comments to show only the most popular and highly rated ones. These comments are typically the ones that have received the most likes and engagement from other viewers. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to show only top comments on a YouTube video. Now you can easily discover the most impactful comments and join the conversation. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.